how to convert SpayLater to GCash. So if you're searching for a way to convert Shopee SpayLater into GCash balance, this video will explain how it actually works, what is officially possible, and what methods you should avoid to protect your account and money. So firstly, what's this service? So SpayLater is a buy now, pay later credit line inside Shopee. It's not a wallet and it does not hold withdrawable cash. So can SpayLater be converted to GCash? The short answer is no. Shopee does not allow converting or withdrawing SpayLater credit to a GCash balance or cash. There's no official button, feature, or supported process to do this. So many videos or posts online claim SpayLater to GCash cash out, convert SpayLater instantly. These usually involve paying strangers, fake merchants, QR code tricks. These methods are unofficial, violate Shopee's rules, and often result in loss of money or banned accounts. So while you can't convert SpayLater to GCash, you can use GCash to pay SpayLater. You can open Shopee for that, go to May and then SpayLater, tap Pay Now and select GCash, and confirm the payment. This pays your SpayLater bill using GCash funds. Also, you can use SpayLater only for Shopee purchases. You can for buying products, paying later in installments. It should not be treated as cash or income. So once again, to be clear, SpayLater cannot be converted to GCash, though through any official method. So that's it for us, guys. Hopefully this clears out some dust. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.